Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, I'm hoping that you're here on purpose right now. Some of you are going to find this by accident. Some of you have been searching for a solution. I have been searching for a solution. And oh my God, the day is here. Guys, a number of years ago, this computer that I'm sitting at right now is up here in my office, and I used to use it as the only checkpoint into the web server, which is back there in the other room. The only place you could use the web server was either at the console or from this one. I had the IP addresses limited to log into it, but this one was wide open because I'm a glutton for punishment. You could log into this unit by remote desktop from just about any IP scope, and the password on this system was very, very weak. Well, I opened myself up to exposure, and I eventually got myself a piece of ransomware. And in particular, the piece of ransomware that I got was one called Phobos. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. It doesn't matter. If you have been attacked by that same piece, I might be just about to make your day. I was attacked in 2018, and at the time the original ransom was like $600. They wanted Bitcoin. I didn't want to pay it. I didn't have it if I wanted to pay it. So, I held onto the files. I hoped, I prayed, I waited. I had pictures of, the little ones and things like that. Software that I'd written, and business records, all kinds of things. And they all got encrypted by Phobos, by this group of pirates. Well, over the last 6 to 9 months, they have kind of broken apart how the Phobos group has worked. And it ran as a ransomware as a service. So, a core team of developers made this ransomware, and then they licensed it out to other people, and those people got sloppy and they got caught around the world in different places. And so there's been some arrests that have taken place. There's been some blah, blah, blah. I'm going to fast forward to the good part. The Japanese government last week, they released a tool to decrypt your files. And I have it here, and I'm going to put all the links in the comments. So, here's an article that talks about it. Japanese police released Decryptor. If you find this website, I'm going to put this stuff in the link, but in the description. If you go here, this will tell you the article. This one talks about where they published it. It goes over here to X, Meta, whatever you want to call it. This link goes to this government website. Come over here. That link brings you over to here. There's the download for the tool. Okay, click here to download. Now I've already tested this, and you guys, I was beside myself because I've been waiting 7 years. 7 years. 7 years I've waited to get my stuff back. So I'm going to run through it with you, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you that it works. And I'm going to do that right now. So let me get the tool open. When you open the program, you're going to have to go through an end-user license agreement, scroll down, click open. Okay, it's going to look like this. All right, so I want to go into this folder of things. This is, and my extension was .adair. Okay, there's different extensions. Some were tested. If that was talked about in this, if you go to the instructions that they gave, it talks about these. So these are confirmed, but adair was not confirmed in the article. But guess what? It is in fact working. So again, here's the tool, and then here's an old Visual Studio solution. I don't know what this was. I think it was a miner that I was running for somebody that I don't know. I have no idea what the solution is. But, so what you're going to do, you're going to take this path. We're going to copy this. And we're just going to go, I'm doing this live so you guys can see it work on the fly. I'm just going to paste that in here. Now, I've gone in and made this decrypted folder. There's nothing in here. Okay, we're going to open the tool. We're going to paste that path in. And we are going to click on decrypt, and we're just going to wait. Now, while we're doing that, I'm just clicking back. It's really laggy. I'm going to go into the Monero thing, and you're going to see there's every file in here has this adair extension. If you like right click, open this with Notepad, you're going to see it's all encrypted data. Okay. What is that file that was? Yeah. Oh my goodness. No, don't ever do that. Okay. So I wanted you to see, it's this nonsense stuff. It's got this test file that it generates. Now it's gone. Now it's going to start decrypting. Okay. If you go in here, you'll see it's going to generate a list. I just want you to see this in real time because I was just unbelievably delighted. And I'm going to give you guys links to all this stuff, so please don't pay the ransom. Get these links. Download them. I will note that Chrome has got a new thing. Chrome absolutely refused to download the file. So don't try to download it with Chrome. I downloaded it with Edge and it was just fine. There it goes. Now it's changing. So decryption progress. There we go. So we're going to go in real time. We are going to go up one level to projects, decrypted. And you'll see in real time. Oh, okay. 44 files. All decrypted. So everything's in here. Boom, look at that. There's my stuff. There's the same file I opened earlier. And look, the XML is back. Or whatever markup that looks like a XML. Oh, it is XML. Yeah. So I just seriously couldn't be happier with the fact that this has happened. Unbelievable. You guys, I'm super stoked, super excited. So if you have, if you were attacked by Phobos and you still have your files, I'm also probably not on day one on launch day because I want to put this video up right now. In a day or two, I will also put a mirror up on my server, and I'll link that in the description too. But grab it from from Japan or whoever it was. This thing is incredible, and I'm super happy for it. I saved a bunch of money, and it's going to save, I don't know, people around the world probably billions in ransoms. So I'm pretty happy about it. Sorry that you guys got zoom in on my face. I'm not used to this dual. I usually don't use this type of thing. And I've been doing more live streaming than anything. Guys, I got a lot more content planned. I had a lot of things go on for the last couple of years. I'm back here. I'm doing stuff here. If you watch my lives or subscribe if you haven't, I'm doing this restaurant thing now too. I have a whole recycling company. And then in this room behind me, behind the green screen that we don't even get to use, I got a whole sign shop in there. So there's a lot of content coming. There's a lot of AI-driven, not AI-driven, there's a lot of AI, how to get results from AI, how to simplify your life, especially if you're in IT or tech. A lot of that type of stuff coming these next little couple of weeks. So hit that subscribe button. But in the meanwhile, guys, if you want your stuff back and you had been hacked and you're decrypted, grab this thing. I'm super excited that I was able to bring this to your attention. I'm going to probably post on this again with another example here in a couple of days, just so that I can get that penetration and the keywords and stuff going, because this channel's grown a lot, but I'm I'm like this far from being monetized, and I'd really like to make that happen. So if you're seeing some duplicate, it won't be duplicate content, but you may see more videos on this specific topics. So I'll get this going, and you guys, this is incredible. I waited so long for this. I hope this saved a lot of people a lot of heartache. To the developers of the tool, you're amazing. Thank you so much. All right, guys, I'm going to bed.